Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Android Studio with the project loaded. Make sure you're in the project or Android view. Navigate to app/src/main/res/layout and find the layout XML you want. Once found, double-click or right-click and choose Open to load the file in the editor. Doing this immediately places the XML in the Editor tab so you can proceed. If you prefer keyboard flow, press Shift twice and type the file name to jump straight to it. This saves time. Once the XML is open, switch views to focus on code by selecting Code or Split at the editor top. The Design tab shows a visual preview, while Split shows both. You'll want Split when you make changes and expect immediate visual feedback. To inspect attributes, expand the Attributes panel on the right and click a view to locate its XML ID and properties in the code. Make sure to save changes and watch for lint highlights. They point to syntax or resource issues you should fix. Finally, edit the XML directly using auto-completion and refactor-friendly names. You'll see suggestions as you type. Once done, save and run the app on an emulator or device to validate layout rendering. If the preview is blank or errors appear, perform a Gradle sync, rebuild the project, and inspect the build or logcat pane for resource or namespace errors. A common fix is correcting resource names or closing orphan tags. If that fails, restart Android Studio to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.